The Skype iPhone app is a great cost saver. You might already be using the program on your computer. If not, Skype is a free chat and voice over IP software. It lets you make free calls to the people you have added to your Skype contacts. So let's have a look at the app. So when you call up the app, it will either ask you for your Skype login or it'll sign you in automatically, which it's doing with me right now. So here are my contact lists. You can go over to groups. So I see people I've recently contacted, people that are online, only Skype contacts, blog contacts, etc. I have chats. You can check all, or I can open a new one. Hello. Okay, no new chat messages, which is fantastic for just showing this app. I have a keypad to make phone calls here, and I have history of phone calls. I can also edit my own info, my status. I'm hiding so nobody's going to contact me, which is actually quite stupid probably. Well, and I have my Skype credit shown right here in the corner. If you've been using Skype on your computer, you will be a native to the app. If you're new to Skype, you will guaranteed enjoy its cost-saving quality.